How's it going? I am making my way over to the stream that I typically go to. It's a very snowy and cool November morning. My plan is to fish using my fly rod and drift the pig sticker, which, if you don't know, that's a little weighted worm fly that seems to do really well in this stream. And I'm hoping I can connect with some brown trout. Haven't been drifting the pig sticker in a while, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm also taking the ultralight just as a backup. Throw the spoon or maybe some of the rapalas I got, just to see if that works too. Depends on how the fish are biting, of course. But I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good day. Hopefully I catch something. But stick around and we'll find out. I see so many turkeys here, it's ridiculous. Oh, there's a fish. Get my net. All right, fish number one. Cool. There's a fish. I think it's a rainbow. What is it? No, that is not a rainbow. That is just the darkest brown trout I've ever seen. Get this guy back to health. There he goes. There's a fish. I was watching him follow it. Oh boy. Oh wow, that's a really pretty one. Compared to the colors on the last fish, this one's so much more gold. him go. Nice little fish. Cool. There's a fish on the pig sticker, first cast in a while on the fly rod. Wow, that's a decent brown. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on. All right, we gotta be careful. The net is trapped on something here. There we go. Oh yeah, that's what we came here for. And the fly popped out, but that is what we came here for the pigs. Boy, she is thick. Sweet. That was awesome. There's a bald eagle. Wow. Alright, I think I'm gonna head out of this spot and head up to where I used to fish. See if anybody's in those holes, and if they're not, I'll throw a few casts in, see what I can do. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, guy, but one more for the road. I'm probably heading out soon. A little trout, little brown. Back he goes. Well, it's getting late and I need to get going, but I just wanted to say thanks for coming along. It was really cool catching those brown trout, especially on the pig sticker. Glad I was able to meet that goal for the day, though I ended up using the spoon a lot more than I had anticipated. But still, it's all fun catching these trout, and it's a beautiful place to be, so I'm pretty grateful that I got out. If you can, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. Until next time, I will catch you later.